Hi everyone, today we're going to be unboxing a Fashion Fidgets. Let's see what one's going. Okay, it doesn't tell you what you can get, but let's just open it. Come on, open, yes! So we got in here, which girl is it? Oh, we got a bag. I think this is the collector's guide. Let's see. We can get, this one's cute. That one's really cute. Yeah, these are all super cute. Let's just see who we got. We got, come out of here, doll. Ooh, we got this girl. And spin her bow. Put a little this. And her name is, find her on the checklist. Here she is. Her name is Cute Kara. Okay, Cute Kara, let's pop. Okay, Cute Kara, let's pop. Ooh, I like these dolls are like a fidget as well. Okay, now let's pop this back up. At the bottom of her dress. Last one. And spin. The bow can spin as well. And the hair is caught up with this, but it's super cute. And this. Ooh, suchi. No. Ow. Okay. So that's all we have today. This cute little key ring. So bye everyone. Bye.